Welcome to TNA Eats. I'm your host, Jesse Morris. We're going to be eating here at Skukuza Safari Lodge at the Amakelekani restaurant. And this is all based in Kruger National Park. No, the big one. So, we'll be eating here, we're trying different foods. I hear there's a little game, venison meat. I'm excited for that. But stay tuned, let's watch. You're going to watch me eat. And that is it. Let's go.
Okay. Yeah. Here's our nice, beautiful dish of it is a chicken salad. It's a beautiful summer dish with the local ingredients, with avocados and also coriander dressing.
Fresh, crisp greens, vibrant colors. The chicken cooked just right. Juicy, tender, and those North African spices bring the warm aromatic kick without overpowering the dish. Honestly, if you're one of those gym first, carbs later people, this is your moment. Light, clean, still packed with flavor.
Okay, that's our kudu loin grilled.
Wow, beautiful, chef.
With chimichurri sauce. We have this game meat of kudu as well in the park. It's really, really beautiful. It's also one of our signature dishes here in Skukuza Safari Lodge here.
First impressions, just look at it. This plate is absolutely beautiful. Perfectly cooked venison, soft, tender, that rich pink center. And then the twist, coffee. Now listen, coffee on meat sounds risky, but here it works. It adds that subtle bitterness, almost like a spice, that enhances the natural flavors of the venison instead of fighting it. The potatoes, don't sleep on them. Proper flavor, great texture, supporting cast doing the most. I'm not saying I fell in love with the chef, but I understand.
Yeah, sure. Here's our pecan cake, which is local. I mean, you get pecan here locally in the Lowveld. And it's also served with ice cream, as our weather temperature in the park is very, very warm. I'm sure you really love it.
Chocolate and pecan nut tart. Now we build the suspense because this is the final boss. First bite, loaded. Chocolate, pecan, ice cream, all in one go.
Sensational.
I even add a little sprinkle of crushed biscuit, for presentation and vibes. The pecans, soft but still holding that crunch. And the chocolate, rich, smooth, doing exactly what chocolate is supposed to do, carrying the team. Then the ice cream comes in, cool, creamy, just balancing everything out. This is the kind of dessert that makes you go quiet for a second. You don't talk, just respect it. Honestly, that was amazing. Salad, top tier. The kudu. First of all, now we know what the meat was. Bloody kudu, amazing. So, kudu, and for dessert, a pecan pie with ice cream. Simple, but was it so effective. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, click, connect, all those beautiful buttons. Use them, press them. I hope you enjoyed. That is it, and I'll salute you goodbye.